Sundubu Jjigae, Korean soft tofu stew. Ingredients: 350 grams Korean soft tofu, 12 ounces. 110 grams littleneck clams, 3.9 ounces, cleaned. 3/4 banana prawns, 80 grams, 2.8 ounces, head, shells and guts removed. 100 grams enoki mushrooms, 3.5 ounces, bottom 4 to 5 centimeters, stem removed and rinsed briefly in cold running water. 2 shiitake mushrooms, 20 grams, 0.7 ounces, cleaned, stem removed and thinly sliced. 1 egg. 1 stalk green onion, 10 grams, 0.4 ounces, diagonally thinly sliced. 1.5 cups dried kelp and dried anchovy stock. 1 tablespoon Korean chili oil or neutral cooking oil, for example rice bran oil. 2 tablespoons Korean chili powder or Korean chili flakes gochugaru. 1 teaspoon minced garlic. Half a tablespoon Korean fish sauce. Half a tablespoon soy sauce, kikkoman regular or Korean soup soy sauce. Fine sea salt, to taste. A few sprinkles ground black pepper. A dash sesame oil, about half a teaspoon. Instructions: start heating the pot on the stove over medium-low heat and add the chili oil, chili powder, and garlic. Stir them well for about 1 minute. Make sure not to burn the chili powder. Add the clams and shrimps and stir quickly to coat them with the chili sauce. Add the fish sauce and soy sauce, then stir. Add the dried kelp and anchovy stock and boil it on medium-high heat until it starts to boil rapidly, 2 to 3 minutes closing parenthesis. Add the tofu, mushrooms, and egg and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt, if required. Top up with the green onion, black pepper and sesame oil. Serve hot with Korean rice and side dishes, banchan.